Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create wooden pickaxe in Minecraft. So start, you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So what you need to do is take a few woods with help your hands or something others. Okay, 3 is an oak. Now you put this to crafting. Now you create crafting table from 4 woods. Now you must create sticks. You put 2 woods, you have stick, and now you put 3 on up. And you created wooden pickaxe. Congratulations. So thanks for watching. I will also invite you for my other tutorials for beginners, for noobs in Minecraft. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. Thanks.